In this video, you'll learn how to exit recovery mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've accidentally entered recovery mode, or if you're in recovery mode and you don't know how to get out, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do is just switch off your Switch so that once the Switch is turned off, when you now turn it on, you'll have successfully exited recovery mode. And turning off the Switch is fairly simple. All you need to do is just press on the power button until the screen goes black. Once it goes black, you can now let go of the button, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. So let's do that. So switch off, wait a few seconds, and then once the screen goes back, let go of the button, wait at least 5 to 10 seconds, and then once the time has passed, you can then go ahead and just switch on the Switch. So just press on the power button as you normally would when you're turning it on. And then once the logo appears, just wait for it to boot up. Once it's successfully booted up, you'll then be taken back to the home menu. Wait for the Joy-Cons to be paired successfully. And once they've been paired, you can now go ahead and start using your Switch as you normally would. And so that's how you can exit recovery mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.